Hello folks, Sid Miramontes here with Miramontes Capital's weekly market update. This week in news we have the federal government continuing to take a look at interest rates, so they're looking at many different factors of the markets to consider whether or not to raise them towards the end of the year. We also have Bayer AG looking at purchasing Monsanto, the large chemical and pesticide company, for $65 billion. This week's question comes from one of our folks over at the gas company. That person is considering retiring at the end of the year and said that he just received a large retirement enhancement to his health spending account and said, hey, what should I consider, Sid, as I'm looking at this offer? So Sid, there's really 5 things you want to take a look at. Number one is, if you're going to not have to pull withdrawals from your retirement accounts because your medical premiums are paid by your health spending account, well, it puts less pressure on your investments. So you don't have to make those withdrawals from your plan to pay for co-payments or premiums, so it puts less pressure on your plan, number one. Number two is, well, because you're not pulling that capital out, there is the opportunity for more growth in your plan because you're not having to withdraw those plans with income to pay your premiums, etc. on a monthly basis. Number three is, and you want to talk to your CPA or tax consultant, is you don't have to pull the withdrawals from your plan either, so there's less income you're going to have to pull out. So that may benefit you on the tax side as far as taxable income is concerned. Number four, you can also then divert those assets and income, because if you're not paying for your medical or your co-payments, well, you may be able now to be able to use that income to help charities or help children, etc., if you want to. And number five, obviously, is there has to be a plan in place where you have to build this plan into your program and how it helps and what your really needs and goals are. So please make sure that you take a look at, you have a comprehensive plan as you're considering these options. I welcome you for a 5-minute phone review if you'd like to get a better idea of where you stand, or if you'd like to chat over a cup of coffee, folks. We welcome your calls or emails. Thanks so much for your time.